Hey art friends, today we're going to draw another folding surprise.
A vampire.
Yeah, a big mouth vampire.
Yeah.
You excited?
Mm-hmm.
For this lesson, you need something to draw with. We're going to use a black marker, also some paper, and something to
Color with.
color with. You ready to start?
Yes.
Now, actually, we need to fold our paper first. So we'll put our markers off to the side. We're going to grab the top edge of our paper and fold it down to the bottom edge. Now, we also have a red piece of paper underneath, and that's so our art friends can see our white paper better. Now, fold it right down the middle. There we go. I'll help you. You can. There you go.
Cha-ching.
Then we're going to take the top flap and we're going to fold it back up to the top or to the middle of our paper. There you go. And then down the middle and out to the edges.
There. That's good, right?
Yeah, there you go. Now again, we're using another piece of paper because when we draw with our markers, sometimes it soaks through our paper and gets onto the table. So this is going to protect our table, and it's red so that our art friends can see our white paper better. But you can use whatever color you want. Let's first start by drawing our vampire's eyes, and we're gonna draw them above the fold, but we're also gonna draw in the middle of our paper. So first we're gonna draw a circle here, and we'll draw another circle over here. Yeah, that's good. I like how big you're drawing it. And then we're going to draw smaller circles in the top right. This is for the highlight in our vampire's eyes so he looks shiny. His eyes look shiny. Then we're going to color in the big circle, but leave the little one white. Now we're going to draw the top of our vampire's head. We're going to draw a big upside down U like this. And notice how I stopped on the fold. There we go.
It's going to be a girl vampire.
I like it. Now we're going to draw his head, or her head, and then we're going to draw a U shape underneath that matches up with the upside down U. So we have this circle. And we want to make sure that we leave room for his teeny little body we're going to draw down here. Now let's add some details to their faces. So we're first going to draw the hair. And I'm going to draw like this, a curve that goes over the eye, and there's a little point in the middle, in between the eyes. Yeah, that's good. And then another one over the top. Good job. Now we could draw his nose, or her nose. We're just going to draw a little curve right in the middle. Then we can also add their ears. So let's draw a diagonal line on each side like this. Yep. And on the other side. And then we're going to draw a curve underneath. And you want to make sure this is above the fold. And we can do the same thing over here. All right, we did it. Now let's also draw his mouth or her mouth. We're just going to draw a line right here on the top. So we're just going to draw a line like this. It comes across. And I'm drawing it right on the fold.
I thought this was the mouth.
Oh, it's the nose.
That's why I drew it big.
That's okay. She's got a big nose. And I'm also going to draw another line right here underneath the fold. So 2 lines. Yep, and then one underneath. There you go. Good job. Now we need to draw their bodies. So let's draw 2 lines coming down from the chin. We're going to draw one over here and one over here. This is going to look awesome because they're going to have small little bodies and their heads are going to be huge. All right, now right here, let's draw a little A shape in between those 2 lines. This is for the legs. Then we're going to draw a foot. So we're going to draw a little line that comes out and then connects to that A shape. And then let's do the same thing on the left side. That's a simple way to draw a body with feet. Then let's draw his arms or her arms. We're going to draw a curve that comes out like this, and we're going to draw a curve on the other side. So we'll draw 2 curves coming out, and then we're going to draw their hands next. Before we draw the other side of the arm, let's draw the hands. We're going to draw, watch this, I'm going to draw a curve that comes out like this and then spike back in. Looks like a V shape right at the end. Yeah, and then let's draw another one coming out to the side like that. And then we could draw one more little one coming out. This is for this scary hands. It's gonna look like he's or she's clawing. We're getting ready to scare somebody. Now let's draw the thumb, and we're gonna draw a curved V underneath. Okay, let's finish the hand. We can connect the top fingers to the thumb, and then let's connect the thumb to the body to finish the arm. That was pretty easy, right?
Yes.
Let's repeat the same steps over here. We'll draw that first finger, we'll draw a curve, upside down U, and then kind of a spike back in. So it looks like he's got sharp fingernails. Then we're gonna draw another one, curve, back in. And one smaller one right at the end. Good. Now let's draw the thumb. We're gonna draw a curved V. Perfect. Then we're gonna connect the thumb to the fingers. And then we can connect the thumb to the body for the arm. Scary. Those look like scary fingers. Okay, now let's draw all of the details on his clothes or her clothes. We're going to draw 2 curves on each wrist. That's for his shirt. Now let's draw his bow. We're going to draw a W right under his chin. Now let's draw the bottom of his shirt. Let's draw another A shape right above his legs. And then we're going to connect each side into or to the outside of his body. Yeah, perfect. Now let's draw his cape or her cape. We're going to draw a line that comes out underneath the armpit. Then we're going to draw 2 upside down U's connecting to his body. Good job. All right, now let's repeat that same step on the right side. We'll draw a diagonal line under the armpit. And then let's draw 2 upside down U's. And then if you want, on yours, you could make your hair a little bit longer. Do you want to draw a line right here? And then you can connect it into her cheek. Yeah. And then
it just went down.
Oh, that's good. You could do that too. And then you could do the same thing right here. Just connect the cheek to her hands. And then you could color that in black at the very end, and she'll look like she has long hair.
Yeah.
Just like you. Now we're ready to draw the folding surprise part. So let's open up our drawings, and then we're going to connect the top part of her head down to the bottom. So let's first start over here on the left, and we're going to draw a curve or a line that just comes straight down and connects to the chin down here at the bottom. Yeah, and then we can do the same thing over here on the right side. Now they've got big heads.
Big head time.
Big head time. And then let's connect their mouth. We'll do the same thing, connect the top line down to the bottom. We'll do the same thing on the right side. Now what are our vampires missing?
Teeth.
Sharp teeth, yeah. Let's draw a really sharp tooth over here on the left side. So a big V. And let's draw another V over here on the right side. Yeah, now we can draw U's that connect in between those sharp teeth. Perfect. Now let's repeat the same step down here at the bottom. We're going to draw a big upside down V on the left and one also on the right. Then let's draw the upside down U's for the teeth in between. We did it, Hadley. We finished our vampires and they look super awesome. Now we still need to do one last thing. What is it?
Color.
Yeah, we need to color our vampires. They're gonna look so much better colored in. Now also, while we're coloring, we're gonna add some extra things inside their mouths. Probably bats.
Yes.
All right, you ready to fast forward?
Yeah.
Let's do it. We did it! We finished coloring our little vampires and yours turned out perfect. I love it. Should we show our friends the little surprise inside?
Yes.
1, 2, 3, boom! We added bats and candy. What else could our friends add inside?
A black cat.
Oh, that would be really funny if there was a black cat inside.
Yeah.
What else?
A pumpkin and a witch.
Oh, you could draw a little witch and a pumpkin inside. That would be really funny
Yeah.
if a vampire ate a witch.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your vampires.
Yes, we do. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your big mouth vampires, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye.
Bye.
Boo!
Woo!
Can you pick it up? Oh, pick it up. Was it too heavy?
Strong baby.
Yeah.
Here, let me help you. Right here. Here, put it in the thing. You got it?
Oh, go put it in there.
Oh, heavy.
Okay.
Heavy. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go put it in the. Let's put it in the wagon. Here you go.